Today's the day I'm going to be sharing my top crafty Amazon must-haves. Let's get into it. Hello creative friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Tiffany Solorio. I'm going to go through these pretty fast, but if you're looking for any of the products that I show here today, there will be a full list in the description box. Now stick with me because I'm going to be sharing the #1 game-changing product that every crafty space needs. But first, it should be no surprise that this first product made my list, and it's blending tools. I have so many different types of blending tools from Amazon, and I love them all. These blending tools available on Amazon are significantly more affordable compared to craft brands. And to be honest, they perform just as well as some of the name brand options I own. If you're interested in saving money, I recommend taking a look at these blending tools. First up, we have the traditional makeup brush. I use these all the time and the results are amazing, whether you're using them just for blending a background or using them through a stencil. They come in all sorts of different sizes, and for those that love to color coordinate, they even have sets just for you. The next option is the finger dauber blending tools. I love these because they connect together and come in an assortment of colors to use with your different inks. The next two are more for detailed work. I haven't had these for too long, but I can see myself using them when I need to do intricate blending. I hesitated putting this last brush in because the price is comparable to craft brands, and I would much rather support them. But just in case Amazon is your only option, I wanted to share this one because it's one of my favorites. It's so comfortable to use and the blend you get is flawless. This next product I use all the time, and it's my Surebonder hot glue gun. I love this one because it's small and it's cordless. The fine tip allows me to use a small amount if need be. I've had this glue gun for several years and it still works great. I absolutely could not do this list without these two must-have heat tools. First up is the Wagner heat tool. It has 2 settings, and the best feature is you can stand it up if you need to do some heat embossing that way. Now, I cannot rave enough about this Conair heat tool I use for my alcohol inks, and I do just that in a full video here on my channel. I'm going to link that below so you can check it out. This next product is probably the most expensive I'm going to be sharing with you, but it's the cheapest, best quality option I've found. It's an airbrush for alcohol inks. It's so simple to put together and it's so easy to use. I've used this paintbrush cleaner for years and I really haven't talked about it much. It is a little bit more on the pricey side, but in my opinion, worth every penny. I love that it comes in 3 parts so that I can store it in my drawer out of the way. It's really easy to put together, and the best feature of this product is the fact that you can sort of hang your brushes to dry. I cannot count how many times I've ruined my brushes because I forgot them in the water. Now let me know down in the comments if that's you. This is a must-have if you do any sort of watercoloring or painting. Now, keeping in that same sort of category, I love these cheap paint trays. They come in a pack of 8, so if I ruin one, I don't feel bad about tossing it out. They're really easy to clean, so don't let this paint fool you. My daughter uses my stuff and never cleans it. I really have no idea where she gets that from. I can never have too many Brayers. That's why I love this set of 2. They are hard Brayers, which I absolutely love. The 2 different sizes are perfect for different projects you may be working on. Now this next item I didn't actually get on Amazon, but I found it at Walmart for about $5 a few years ago. I personally don't use this that often, but many crafters claim to love this product, so I had to add it to my list. It's this organizer and it's great to use for so many different craft supplies. And I've actually even used the design for gel printing. These next few products aren't really crafty related, but are essential for any crafty space. And I still have to share my favorite new find, so stick with me. Now, I'm sure you may have these already in your craft room, but I had to share these baby wipes. Now, if you don't know, baby wipes can be used for so many different things in the craft room. These ones are about $20 for 9 packs. And these last me about 6 months to a year depending on how much I use them. This next item is so helpful. It's an electronic cleaner. I use it for my iPad and my computer screens. You just spray a little bit onto your screen, wipe it down, and you're good to go. It is refillable, so you don't have to buy multiples, unless your family's like mine and they each need their own. Now the time has come where I'm going to be sharing my favorite new Amazon find, and it's been a game changer in my craft room. It's this little desktop vacuum. It's so small and picks up the smallest particles like embossing powder and even glitter. It's even small enough I store it right next to me in my drawers. Now you may be thinking, where do I put all this stuff? So you might be looking for some craft room organization products. Look no further, because in this video right here, I share my top 9 favorite craft room organization products found on Amazon. You don't want to miss this list. I'll see you there.